It's so easy to make 10K a month. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually do the same. Now, just before I continue the video, right, there's no point in me talking about how to make 10K a month if you guys don't know who I am and what I do, right? So my name is Alim and I left the UK over 12 months ago. I quit my 9-to-5 job, I packed my bags and I moved to Dubai. And at the time I had no savings, right? Literally no savings. I just packed my bags. I was like, you know what? I want to move to Dubai. I want to be successful. I want to start my own online business. So I moved to Dubai and I just moved with no money, right? And obviously now 12 months later, I own a 6-figure coaching business. I make more money than I've ever made before and life is amazing. And again, as I said, I'm still in Dubai, right? But again, life wasn't always like this. Life was very, very different. So when I was working back in the UK, I used to work my 9-to-5 job. I used to get paid around $2,000 to $3,000. And back then I thought that was a lot of money. Obviously I was working, 40 hours a week, which is what you guys are doing currently. And I thought, oh wow, $2,000, $3,000 is amazing. But this is the thing, we're all brainwashed to think $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, even $5,000 a month working 40 hours a week is good, right? Because we're all kind of matrix minded. We've all been taught that, to make money, the only way to actually make a lot of money is, get good grades in school, go to a good university, get a good degree, and then find a good job. But the traditional path has never ever made anyone successful. No one's become rich off working a 9-to-5 job. No one's become successful. And one of the biggest things with working a 9-to-5 job is that you have absolute no freedom. This is one of the reasons why I said, you know what, I don't want to go down this traditional path, even though I was kind of way in because I went to university, I got a degree. But even when I did my degree, it was mainly for my parents. I knew myself, and I even told my mom at the time that I'm going to do the university for you, but this degree isn't going to get me to where I want to be. Right? So yeah, as I was working my 9-to-5 job, I already knew that I didn't want to do this anymore. I already knew that I wanted to move to Dubai, and I already knew I wanted freedom. So what did I do? So I just packed my bags and quit. Why? Because if I'm not happy where I am, then why am I going to continue doing it? The thing is, right, a lot of you guys are unhappy in your job, but what are you doing to change it? Now, I'm not saying get a better job, because trust me, even if you get a better job, after a while, it's going to be the same thing. I had the same problem, right? I was working in a call center and it was very, very toxic. And I was like, you know what, I don't like this. I'm going to move to a better job within the company, right? Because the company was Sky, which was a big company. And when I got the other role, for the first 2-3 weeks, I was like, oh yeah, this is amazing. I'm actually working less. I don't have to do much and I'm making more money. So I was like, yeah, I'm going to do that. But then what happened was after like 2-3 weeks, the job just got so repetitive. And I was like, you know what, I don't like this anymore. The thing is, right, every job is the same. You don't get freedom. You have to do what your boss tells you to. You have to go into work when he tells you to. Long shifts, 12-hour shifts or 8-hour shifts, whatever you guys do. And it wasn't great. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna quit my job and just leave. Now, just a quick one before I continue the video. If you do need any help with starting your own online business, where I work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month within 3 months of working with me, click the link in the description below and book in a call with me. And what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can help you. So yeah, no job is good. No job is gonna make you money. No job is gonna give you freedom. No job is actually gonna make you fulfilled in life, right? Because you still have to follow someone else's orders. Now, what should you do instead? Because a lot of people talk about physical businesses, and physical businesses are bullshit because you still have to do things. You still have to go somewhere. You need startup costs. You have to check in on the business every so often. You don't really get freedom like you want, right? But when you make money online, you have total freedom. You get to work where you want. You get to work when you want. You get to work how you want, right? For example, I can work on my balcony today, or I can go to a coffee shop and work, or I can go to a place like Dubai Marina and work there. Like, I can go anywhere and work. This is the beauty of having an online business. And it obviously doesn't stop there, because I can work in other countries, right? I can go back to the UK for a bit. I can go to Saudi Arabia. I can go to the US. I'm not tied down to any geographical location. This is the beauty of making money online, right? So this is why an online business is way better than any physical businesses, because a physical business, again, you need startup costs. You need to check on it every so often by going into the actual place. And it's just a lot more headache, right? You just don't want to get into that. Now, an online business, what online business should you do, right? Because a lot of people have so many different online businesses. I know I've tried so many different ones. For example, drop shipping, I've tried affiliate marketing, I've tried YouTube content creation, I've tried TikTok, I've tried all of these business models, right? And some of them I did make money on, yes. However, what I found to be the best business model, which again, not many people talk about, is starting your own coaching program. Now, what is a coaching program? Why is it so profitable? Well, I'll explain in this video. So a coaching program essentially is you teaching your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients, right? And the beauty of a coaching program is that you get to make $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 or $5,000 per client. And per client, you'd be working around 12 hours, right, in total. So you'd make $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 for 12 hours of work. right? And you don't do this 12 hours in one go. You do these 12 hours across 3 months as an example. Again, this depends on your deliverables, but this is just me speaking generally, right? And the beauty of a coaching program is that anyone can do it. This is why it's one of the best business models. Literally anyone can do it because everyone has a skill. And I've been told so many times that, oh, I don't have a skill, can I still do this, X, Y, and Z? Look, everyone can do this, right? And if you guys think that you need like a really high level skill, you don't. Because I'll give you an example. There's a woman here teaching people how to knit, right? And she makes just under 20 grand a month teaching people how to knit. We can all agree knitting isn't a high level skill, right? But yet she's making just under 20 grand a month. Now ask yourself, if you were making 20 grand a month, heck, if you were making even 10 grand a month, how different would your life look? Because a lot of you guys think that the only way to make money is through a job. And I'm telling you, it's so easy to make 10K a month without doing a job by doing it yourself, right? Yes, there's hard work. Yes, you need to be consistent. Yes, you need to put in the actual work. Yes, you need to be positive. Yes, you need to be strong, all of that kind of stuff. But generally, it's so easy. Like literally all of you guys can do it. But the issue is, one, you're lazy, right? A lot of you people can't be bothered to actually try and change your life. Secondly, you don't want to invest in yourself. You hold on to money. So you hold on to money thinking that, oh, the only way I'm actually going to make money is by, holding on to my money and try and saving and keep saving my money, when reality, your money's value is going down and down and down, right? Because inflation is going up and up and up. The other issue is the lack of action, or you think too long. So you take too long to actually take action. So if you're watching this video and you're not taking action, well, then you're not going to go far in life. Now, honestly, ask yourself, do you want to change your life? Do you want to be in the same position, or do you want to actually change your life, right? Because a lot of you guys that are working a 9-to-5 job, you don't even realize that you've got skill worth 10, 20, 30K a month. So again, if you do need any help with starting your own online business, where I'll work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month within 3 months of working with me, click the link in the description below and book in a call with me. And if you guys are struggling with your mindset, well, make sure you watch the video that you see on your screen, and I'll see you guys there.